This video tutorial I will explain what is DNS. DNS is like a translator for the internet. DNS converts human readable website names into machine readable IP addresses. Example of website name is www.google.com, and here you can see the IP address. Now we will see how DNS work. Here you can see the DNS server, and here you can see the server which hosts the website, and here you can see the IP address of this particular server. Here you can see the computer, it has a web browser. When you type a website name into your web browser, your computer sends the request to the DNS server. The DNS server checks its records to find the corresponding IP address for the website. Once IP address is found, the DNS server sends the IP address to your computer. Your computer uses the IP address to connect to the website's server and load the web page. Why DNS is important? DNS makes it easy for us to navigate the internet using the names instead of numbers. Imagine if you have to remember the IP address for the every website you wanted to visit, it would be very hard. We can think of DNS as a phone book. When you want to call your friend, you look up their name in the phone book to find their phone number. DNS does the same thing but for websites. In summary, DNS helps computers to find websites on the internet by translating their names into IP addresses. DNS is crucial part of how the internet works, making it simple and easy for us to browse the web without needing to remember complex numbers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.